students, welcome to Gyan Academy. Today I am again back with one more video, and that's very important for you all. That is, you need to know why JEE postponement is necessary. Now you know that COVID-19 virus is pandemic going on in the whole world, and everyone in this country is suffering due to this. But in this situation, it is very risky to take the examinations. But there are some students and some parents who are saying that yes, we should take now the exams, but they need to understand why there is a necessary for postponement of the year in JEE NEET exams. Otherwise, what will happen? We are actually risking our life. So let's see why JEE NEET postponement is necessary. One minute. Okay, here you can have a glimpse of the recent exams that took place in your COVID situation. First was your Karnataka CT, also known as KCT. Okay, these are the some pictures of KCT examination. So you can see that is this a social distancing? Are they following SOP here? What would happen if there would be any even a single patient in this? Yes, very disastrous something would have happened. So you can imagine there are lakhs of students appearing for JEE NEET examination, and even if one is positive, then what would happen to all the students? There would be a corona bomb blast. Okay, this was about the Karnataka CT exam. Now next I am showing you about KIM 2020 examination, which also happened in this corona situation crisis. Okay, you can see this. These are the photos, some photos which were highlighted. You can see these are, and these you can see in this picture, even not a single student is wearing mask. You know the importance of mask, and here no one is following social distancing. What if one positive patient would have been there? From one there would be lakhs of COVID positive. You can see this is the strength of the students. And what if even one single COVID positive student was here? Literally, it would have been disastrous. You can't even imagine what would have happened here. Okay, so you can see this situation, and you can just imagine this is about this scheme 2020. Almost means not more than 10 lakh people would be there, but in case of JEE NEET, there are almost 14 to 15 lakhs of students are appearing for their exams, and you can imagine what risks they are giving their examinations. So we'll have a glimpse at why this, what will happen if JEE NEET is not postponed. First of all, the students are student life index. You can see this from these pictures I have shown you. It's totally on their risks without they are not following any kind of SOP, and not even students are wearing masks properly, no social distancing, and you can understand what is going to be there. Surely when corona bomb blast is going to happen, in which all the students can be COVID positive, even if a single student is there. Although means recovery rate is increasing in our country, but if this is the case, if lakhs of students are COVID positive, then yes, we are surely at a very high risk. Okay, and as there is no social distancing is followed, then virus can be spread very fastly and very easily, as we all know. As it's been 2-3 months since we are knowing about this corona crisis, then I think everyone here is educated enough that they know if no social distancing is there, what could have happened there. Okay, next point is that Many students who are in corona positive, who are in hospitals, they cannot give their exams, due to which all their efforts are wasted. Students are working very hard, 2 to 3 years. They put all their possible efforts. They struggle a lot, but all those efforts would be wasted. Even many students who are covid positive, who are in quarantine center, they are raising questions from where we can give exams. Although all our concepts are clear, we are very well prepared for an examination, but we can't give exams. So is this the way they should be treated? What is about the 2 to 3 years efforts all gone in waste, just because they want to take exams? Their all efforts gone in waste. This is very, very bad, literally very bad happening in our country. Then every student is risking their life and their family's life. And students can also not skip the examinations because they have means done a lot of efforts behind that, so they can't just simply skip the examination. So whatever is happening, if the exams are taken, then they have to go there, because their exams, in the point of view of students, the exam scares the most, right? Even you can see about the one who have taken the drop. This If they don't give examination this year, then what they will do? So they have to give examination. If they do examination now, so they are simply putting on their all the students life, all this 13 to 14 lakh students life on risks. Okay, now we shall go on the next. So that's why there is a this the JEE NEET examination postponed is very necessary. You have seen all the, what would happen if it is not postponed. Really, it's very, very disaster. Like, all our countries, means our doctors are risking their life. That would all would gone in waste, because just because of this done by DG NTA. And I think we should protest against this, as we all want justice. So let's come together and fight for our justice, and I am pretty sure that we will get justice if we come together and show our strength. So I hope the ones who are saying that yes, now take the examinations. I know you all are going through some mental stress, but please understand the current situation. If this is the situation, then you are risking your life and then going to examination centers. Okay, so I think you all should have, you all should do protest and support us. Okay, so if you like this video, you can support us by just liking and sharing this to all your friends and all across the DGCA and TA Twitter. You can tweet this video also, and subscribe our channel, and let this video come on trending and show your all students strength, because students' life is more important than any other examinations in the world, right? Okay, so stay safe in your home, and I hope this gets well soon and there is postponement of exams. Now stay updated with us for more updates. Okay, thank you for watching.